We'll guide you through how to obtain Asana certification. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Asana Academy website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in or create an Asana account if you don't have one already. After logging in, navigate to the certification section. Here, you'll find different certification options such as Asana Ambassador or Asana Certified Pro. Click on the certification you're interested in. Each certification will have a detailed description and the requirements you need to meet. Take some time to read through these requirements to ensure you are eligible. Next, you can enroll in the required courses directly from this page. These courses are self-paced, so you can go through the material at your own speed. Make sure to complete all the modules and quizzes provided in the course. Once you've completed the courses, you can proceed to take the certification exam. The exam is usually timed, so make sure you're prepared before starting it. After you pass the exam, you'll receive your digital certificate and badge via email, which you can display on your LinkedIn profile or resume. This certification is a great way to demonstrate your expertise in using Asana efficiently. Remember to keep your certification updated, as Asana often updates its tools and features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.